It's another one. It's another one. It's another shoe video for y'all. I know y'all loving these. Y'all have to love these because I love these, because who don't like shoes? Who don't like looking at shoes? Who don't like getting money off for shoes? Okay. But it's your boy T Money back in the game with another shoe video for y'all. I love y'all, T Money fam. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. That's all I'm asking for. I'm not gonna say too much. He's gonna get straight into the shoe. I feel like this shoe is low-key equivalent to a black Air Force One. You got the white Air Force One, but a black Air Force One is like thug. Like, ooh. Another shoe. Oh, y'all. It's all black. It's an all black box. And you know what an all black box stand for? An all black shoe. Cause what am I? All black. And disclaimer, yes, I am filming this video in the same day. I film my content all in one day, so not too much. Next, anyways. We got a paper. This is the website, SophiaKicks.ru, with the I can't even speak. With the WhatsApp number and the code. Code Tyler for $15 off. Like I said, who don't like a good shoe for cheap and for some money off at that? Like I said, SophiaKicks.ru, code Tyler. I will put it in the description below and on the screen. But get into the, like I said, everything is black in here. The black hats, like the black hats. Like I'm gonna just wait. The black hats, y'all. These are the black hats. Suzanne. I'm just lost of words. And I know everybody and their mama wanted to put their hands on this shoe. Everybody and their mama. Everybody and their mama. I finally got my hands on this shoe. Like, come on. Like, come on. Like, it's sleek. It feels good. Like, the material feels good. It feels like my other fours I have. Like, another whole shoe view. Jordan sign and everything. Side view. Bottom view. Inside view. Hope y'all seen that. Ooh, my fault. I didn't mean to shake y'all. I didn't mean to rumble y'all tussle. But yeah, y'all. The quality is very good. These are 10.5. These are the Black Cat Forest. I don't know if I said that already, but yeah, this don't. Like, it's just a sleek black shoe that can go with anything. Like, that's why I recommend getting this shoe specifically, because it can go with anything. It's an all black shoe. Like, I can put it on right now with these gray sweats I have on and this black shirt. Like, sleek, the best. And for money off, $15 off if you use my code. Come on, let me bring out the other shoe. Same thing. Just double the trouble. Don't step on these. Don't mess with nobody with these, cause you have to stand on business if you do. But yeah, like, the shoe is shoeing. The shoe has to shoe before shoe. Get the shoe, cop the shoe. Again, like I said, it's SophiaKicks.ru. Again, SophiaKicks.ru. At the www in front of it though. Code Tyler for $15 off. This is the Black Cat Forest. Don't hate me, hate the game. But yeah, if y'all want to see me do another shoe review video, let me know in the comments. And let me know what shoes y'all want to see me do, because I can have them coming. But yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for the support that y'all been showing me. Like I said, I love y'all, T Money fam. But your boy T Money is out. See y'all in the next video or shoe review.